Here's something we actually have forgotten to mention with the new PASport VO. In fact, most of the Centrance products have this feature, but it's a great feature. And I'll show you what it is. Looking at the back, you might see a little tiny hole. That little tiny hole works like this. So you get yourself a camera tripod or an adapter for your mic stand, and you then have a desktop stand for your PASport VO. This is the prototype, by the way, hence the reason it's got no writing on the bottom there. But there you go. A little tip for you. Get yourself a camera tripod stand and keep your desk nice and tidy with your new PASport VO. And there are still a few available, so if you want to grab one from the current batch, just go to centrance.com and look for the PASport VO. I think you'll be very happy with your decision if you buy one.